Which burger sells the best?
I like the Scout.
Which one?
The Scout.
Okay. Awesome. Okay. Hey, thank you. Okay, so you got just some fantastic places to visit. Friendly people too. I love that. Good places. So you basically you pick it up, and then you pick it up and then you come and eat and stuff and enjoy. And then okay, here's one that is Laduni, excuse me, and it's cake and sweets and treats. So I haven't tried this one. Anyway, gosh, how fun is this? And then we got upstairs. Wow. Okay, so the second floor is one restaurant, and that's upstairs. It's got let's see, soups and salads, burgers. Sounds like it'd be kind of a cool place to for a nicer dinner. So anyway, okay, so this is, oh, go ahead. This is part of it, and you got a bar here, of course. And great area. And then more of the outdoor things over there. There is, I guess let's see. Now we'll leave that alone, but we're going to go over here. Hey guys. So beautiful day. It's probably about 70s. Just beautiful weather. And over there is Jackson. So that's all cool. Gosh, this is just an incredible district, and just a great area. Hey guys, how you doing? Thanks for guarding. Don't you love this circle? This circle is cool. The circle is awesome. So this is all good. So AT&T, new hires, grads coming here. You've got a place just all built in, just right next to you. That would just be awesome. We're going to walk down here just a little bit more, and so you can see it, just what it looks like. There's another building, AT&T. So AT&T is just, they just kind of own this place. It's just awesome, and they've done great stuff with it. I love what they've done. They didn't start out with all of this space. They've enhanced and added, and really, taking care of their space and added to it. I love what they've done. Over here, they've got an experience store, so you can check out phones and before you buy, and check out other things of what's going on with that. This is over here, that Jackson, and there's a street called Jackson. So I think that might be where they take their deal. But it's gonna be a great place to chill out and relax. So that's all good. And then it goes all the way to over there. So I wanted you to see that and just get a great feel of this area, y'all. Sorry, y'all, that's a Texas thing. When you move here, you'll probably say y'all, and it will just pop out one day. It won't be forced, it will just happen. So anyway, just walking over here, there's really not much over here. I just wanted to give you just a little bit more feel of the area. But just a fantastic area. There's Cowboys Fit over there, by the way. That's a really hot place to get your workout in, especially if you love the Cowboys. So just a great feel over there. I'm walking finally just on kind of the other side of here to get you the kind of the full view over here, and that's the Exchange where all the stores and restaurants are. I'm also going to give you just a quick, just walk this a little bit past this area, just so you can kind of see the downtown area. It's still early, but it's vibrant, perfectly safe, great area. So, you know, this is traffic, commuter traffic, leaving. And over there is, there's plenty of other things to do that are right over there. There's restaurants, all sorts of fun stuff to do. You know, just here in downtown, there's plenty to do. But what I wanted to show you too is it would take a while to walk around all of downtown. I'm just trying to give you a good feel. But if you go just a bit north up there, you're connected. So that direction is north. If you go north, you're gonna go a little bit and then you'll be in Uptown. That's also another really popular area that's nearby. So people will live in Uptown, they'll live in downtown, they'll also live nearby in areas like Trinity Grove and Bishop, and they'll also live in areas like Lower Greenville and other areas. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed this tour of AT&T and Discovery District. Just a great area. And check out the other videos that we'll be doing that will be nearby here. One thing that we're going to do, it's actually almost next, and we're going to do it tonight, is Clyde Warren Park. And it's a park that is connected to downtown. It's actually in between downtown and Uptown. So check the Clyde Warren Park video and enjoy. Okay, you guys, talk to you soon.